This video shows you how to make an extremely attractive and attention-getting display of your scene by using a 24-hour fast clock animation timer. I'll show you how I have done it with one of my models. What you see here is a freelance model of a 19th century silver tableware factory converted by the invaders during World War II to making brass cartridges. It is in a card box that fits into my model display cabinet. When I power up the model, lights turn on and off and sounds play as they would over a 24-hour period. As a side note, there is a separate MP3 player that, on demand, gives a full description of the model and its history. An Arduino Mini Pro controls WS20N12B LED pixel strips. A midnight to midnight color palette simulates light conditions over that time period. The changing light conditions are shown in this video. You set the time it takes for your scene to go from midnight to midnight, a scene time of 24 hours. For example, you may decide that in real time, 24 hours takes 30 minutes. And then there are some functions which you set start and stop time for each. In this video, you see the security lights on the buildings as well as the lamps around the walls turn on in the evening and turn off in the morning. Building lights go bright and dark as they would throughout the day and night. Each building is controlled by its own function. Factory light cycles are accompanied by sound profiles typical of the time of the day. Fires and forges show round the clock. The flashes from arc welders show during the work cycle. So this does not get boring. A thunderstorm enters the scene at random times and a random number of 24-hour cycles that I set between 3 and 5. Now you can see the thunderstorm operate through a link below. You'll see that this is quite a dynamic setup. You can adapt this to your scene or layout, set the times, and add other functions. I'll let you watch this go. There's more information below. There are links below that you should see. As you watch the cycle continue, you will see in the lower right-hand side of this video a red light come on. What that does is show you how one of the sub-functions turns on. It is the light for the Arduino that is now operating and turning on some sub-function. Under the layout, all these things are in control panels. If you have questions about this, there's a link below where you can contact me via WhatsApp or through an email form. If you need any other information, do use those. Go ahead and please give me a like. It really helps, and I hope this has helped you. Have a good day, have a good life, and happy modeling.